You bet your life, understanding a unique English expression. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms and phrases. Specifically, we're going to unravel the meaning and usage of the phrase, "You bet your life." Whether you're an English language learner or just curious about idiomatic expressions, this video is for you. Let's get started and explore this intriguing expression together. The phrase, "You bet your life," is an idiom in English, used to emphasize a statement or response. It's a way of saying that you are absolutely certain about something. When someone says, "You bet your life," they mean that they are so confident about what they are saying, they would bet their own life on it. It's important to note that this is an exaggeration and not meant to be taken literally. This phrase has interesting origins. It's believed to have originated from gambling contexts, where betting one's life would be the ultimate wager. Over time, it became a popular idiomatic expression in everyday language. It's used in various situations, from casual conversations to more formal discussions. For example, if someone asks, "Are you sure the meeting is at 5 p.m.?" You might respond, "You bet your life it is," to express your complete certainty. Let's look at some examples to understand how to use "you bet your life" in different contexts. 1. Affirmation. Do you think you'll pass the exam? You bet your life I will. 2. Reassurance. Can you handle this project? You bet your life, I've got it covered. 3. Emphasis. Are we going to win this game? You bet your life, we've practiced hard. These examples show how the phrase can be used to assert confidence, reassure others, or emphasize a point. While "you bet your life" is a common phrase in English, it's worth noting that its usage might vary across different English-speaking countries. It's more prevalent in American English but understood widely. As with any idiomatic expression, it's always good to understand the context and the audience when using it. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, "You bet your life." We hope this video has been enlightening and adds a fun, expressive phrase to your English vocabulary. Remember, language learning is a journey full of discoveries. Keep exploring, and you'll find more fascinating aspects of the English language. See you in our next video.